Long time no see, cocktail fans. If you caught the last episode, you'll understand why we've been off a few weeks. And if you didn't, you should go check that out now. For those of you who did see it, you'll be glad to hear Son of a Rick tested negative and is back off the wagon and here to enjoy Rum Month with me. Cheers. We should salute our successful return with a victory shot. Today's shot is Papa's. The juices are flowing. The juices are flowing. For the first drink of the month, I'm mixing up a Kingston Negroni, a riff on my favorite cocktail, the Negroni. But instead of using gin, we're going to use a funky rum. Let's give it a shot. Add a cube of ice or just ice, whatever you have, to a rocks glass. 1 ounce of Campari. But first, we have to take ourselves a shot. Drinkers of bitter drinks have sweet hearts. One ounce of sweet vermouth. Today, we're going to use Antica formula. One ounce of a Jamaican rum. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Mon.
Damn, Dad, you aren't even Jamaican. Do you really think you should be imitating their culture? Fuck that.
Funky. Real funky. And that's a Kingston Negroni. Today's word of wisdom is direction. Many people are directionally challenged. This doesn't bother me, just as long as it doesn't affect me. But when your blatant disregard for the cardinal points of a compass impact my bladder, I get annoyed. Let me paint you a picture. You're at someone else's house for a dinner party. There's a lot of couples there, everyone's sitting in the living room. But then you feel Mother Nature's call, but don't know where the restroom is. You quietly whisper into the host's ear, trying not to draw attention to your little problem. But instead of whispering back, they loudly yell, "It's down the hall!" Suddenly, every head in the place is fixated on you. And you know that they know what you are about to do now. It's not like they think you're looking for the linen closet. So then the host says it's down the hall, down the stairs, take a right, then take a left, keep going. You'll find 3 doors. Don't open the one on the left. We keep the dogs there when people are over. And don't open the one on the right. Her mother sleeps in there. The bathroom is the middle door. Only go through the middle door. So you shamefully exit the room, trying desperately to remember the terms. Go down the stairs, take a right, take a left, but you don't find 3 doors. No, just your luck, you find 2 doors. You see, the host is so directionally challenged, they don't even know how to find their own toilet. Now, you have a dilemma. Do you risk life and limb opening one of these doors, or do you walk back to the homeowner asking for new directions, hence making you look directionally challenged in front of everyone you know? And that's an embarrassment more shameful than wetting your pants after 3 Negronis. But instead of gin, we will use a funky rum.
Says, let's give it a shot.
Oh, hold on, Ryan.
Oh.